I don't know if y'all can see it, but it fucked up my tire. So we got some on there. Then we got a nice little line. Single life.
Push that like button and subscribe.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy KR Loverboy back with another video, back like I never left. It's been a minute, but I'm back with it, up with it, get it, pop with it, slap with it, top with it, rock with it. So today's video is my day offs, and I have a lot of errands to run, so I'm gonna be taking you guys along with. But the main agenda is, yesterday I was going and I hit a pothole. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it fucked up my tire, and I was like 8 minutes away from home, so I drove the entire way home, and this tire is smoked. And I drive a 2007 Volkswagen Rabbit. It's my baby right here. And you know, it's just, you know, the car's a whole vibe. I rock with it. It's a hatchback two-door. I call this the white Ferrari right here, or the Roger Rabbit, you know what I'm saying? Because it is a Volkswagen Rabbit. So the first thing we got to do is to get the jack lift up in the air so I can take this tire off. So we got the tire up in the air. I don't think the rim was even touched, so that's good. But now it's time to take this off and then take it to Walmart. See, that machi was good. We got the tire all loaded up, and then now it's time to head to Walmart. But you know, whenever you seen a mechanic this much dripped out, change the tire. You dig. But before we get this video started, you already know the routine. If you're watching this video and you don't have socks on, go ahead and hit the like button right now. And if you love your mom and you're watching this video, I need you to hit that subscribe button.
The goddamn button! You heard what she said.
Seatbelt. What Dora said?
So we can be safe.
Seatbelts so we can be safe on BD. Shout out Dora, man. Walmart Auto Center. Gotta get the tire out the trunk. Oh, came in hot there, bud. So how I got into all this issue with my car is I was driving. It was probably like 2 or 3 in the morning, and I'm just driving. I was driving and texting, but I didn't see this pothole in front of me. All I heard was boom. And you can tell, like, you can go over a pothole and you can be like, oh, I'm decent. But it's one of those pothole hits when you hit it and you're like, and like you immediately just think about your bank account because you know something just happened. So I instantly pulled over and I checked, but I'm like 5 minutes away from home. And I'm like, do I call roadside assistant or do I like grind it out and drive the rest of the way? Yeah. All right. Damn, my tire done already. I'm well known around here, boy. Fuck the tone. So I'm gonna be getting this interior spray right here. I'm gonna grab this. And then after I wash the car, I wanna use this fiber kit. They have the matted mitts, the dry towel, the buff and polish towel, glass towel, dust towel, and multi-purpose. So I'm gonna use that when I clean like the interior and the dashboard and all that good stuff. And then they say look good, smell good, so I definitely might have to. I like the vents because, you know, when you throw that heat on, that motherfucker be beating. So my headlight has oxidation, so I low-key want to get this. But then I've seen life hack where they use toothpaste and baking soda and then like you like rub it on there. So just for this video, I think I might try the toothpaste method. So I'm not gonna buy this. I'm gonna try the toothpaste and baking soda and see if that shit actually works. Look how much my pocket just ran. 104. And then I got a brand new one. Time to take it back home, and we're gonna put this bad boy back on. Appreciate it. Yep. All right. Back, we got the brand new tires. As you can see, good threads. And then we're gonna throw that on, throwing out. So now that we got the tire put back on, it's time to get this dirty thing of shower. So now the next step is to clean out the entire car. Everything that is trash would be trashed. Then I'm gonna vacuum it and then take it down and get a car wash. I need this, I need these. This can be trashed. McDonald's, trash. These shoes, trash. These sandals, I should throw them out, but I like them. Single life. More. I'll keep that. Trash. Trash. More boxes. At least I'm having it protected. That's good. So the trunk is all clean. And I gotta put these that I'm keeping in the storage. We're gonna clear this entire back seat. All right, so I've taken everything out. I just made a decision to get new floor mats. Back seat is clear. Now we're gonna go to the car wash and get the car cleaned. I'm gonna use the vacuum at the car wash to vacuum inside, and then I'm gonna use the purpose to clean all this nonsense. I'll clean the cup holders, clean the dashboard. And look how much filth is on here. Filth. All right, so there was this thing I saw on Lifehack that if you put toothpaste and baking soda on this, you can take this, like the oxidation from the headlights, the radiation or whatever, you can clean it. So I'm gonna do that, and then once I go to the car wash, I'm gonna let the car wash rinse it off. So I have the toothpaste, little rag, and then we're just gonna apply it all together and then scrub it in. So we got some on there, then we got a nice little line. Now I'm gonna put that on top. So I put the toothpaste and the baking soda, and I can damn near already see that I can see into it more, but we won't know until we go to the car wash. And the car wash should rinse it off and add more shine to it. And if Charlie, you wanna go? All right, Charlie, you can come along for the rest of the video. All right, me and Charlie about to head to the car wash now, and we're gonna clean the car. Man, this is my little baby right here, man. Like, it's nothing fancy. Like, I got zip ties holding my bumper up. It's a decent little whip, but I can guarantee you I had more beautiful women sat in this front seat than whatever car you own, and that's no cap. It's not about the car. Toothpaste and baking soda low-key work. I still gotta wipe this side off, but I might go through it one more time. So this is the second time through. Like, the lighting are decent. Like, look at this, y'all. Charlie, you having fun? He's scared as hell. It's raining here right now, so I'm just gonna vacuum real quick, and I'm gonna vacuum real fast, and then I'm gonna go to my house. So Charlie is super scared of vacuum cleaning. So we got the trunk vacuum now. We got front seat on vacuum. The back seat on vacuum. My boy Charlie. So I've got home, I've wiped down the entire car. It's looking decent. I just started dusting the inside and getting all the dust before I wipe it down. So I've been dusting. I wiped down the entire car with a micro rag that I bought from Walmart. So this is the dry rag. This is for dusting, to get any dust off the surface before you wipe it down. Then I have this, this was for the window and glass. So this is the glass towel. I use that. And then I have the 3 multi-use. You can clean seats, you can clean dashboard, you can clean multiple things on the car with that. So that's what I'm gonna get into next. I'll show you guys the front seat. So we have all this wiped down for dust, and then I'm gonna start spraying the surface one by one. So here we are. We got this actually worked a little. Got the outside here. Inside. It's looking way cleaner than before. The trunk is nice and clean. And so that concludes today's video. I changed my tire, I cleaned my car, and remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Comment any product that you use to clean your car that I can use in the future, or any techniques that you have that I can use in the future. And I'm never gonna let my car get that dirty, so I'm gonna try to make it like a weekly thing to, you know, clean out my car. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the transformation to Wesley Snipes Blade. Peace out.
Push that like button and subscribe.